In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Klarna digital card to Apple Pay. By the end, you'll have your Klarna card set up and ready to tap and pay wherever Apple Pay is accepted. First, open the Klarna app on your device and head to the Wallet tab. You'll usually find this at the bottom of the screen. If you haven't opened Klarna in a while, make sure your app is updated so everything looks current. The Wallet tab is where Klarna keeps your cards and payment tools, so it's the perfect starting point. Take a second to confirm you're signed into the right account and that your internet connection is stable, since you'll be creating and adding a new card. Next, tap Add and select Create a Digital Card. This generates a virtual Klarna card that lives inside your app and can be used just like a regular card, with the flexibility Klarna is known for. If you see any brief info screens explaining how the digital card works, go ahead and review them so you know what to expect at checkout. Now, choose Apple Pay. Klarna will ask where you want to add the card, and picking Apple Pay connects it to your Apple Wallet on your iPhone or compatible Apple device. This is what makes it possible to pay in stores with your device and online without typing card details. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may be asked to agree to terms, confirm your device passcode, or verify using Face ID or Touch ID. These steps keep your card secure. If Apple Pay isn't set up yet on your device, your phone will guide you through that first, then return you to the Klarna card setup. Some devices may also ask whether you want to make this your default card for Apple Pay. That's completely up to you and can be changed later in wallet settings. Once the final confirmation appears, you're all set. Your Klarna card is now linked to Apple Pay and ready to use. At checkout in a store, double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch, authenticate, and hold it near the contactless reader. For apps and websites that support Apple Pay, choose Apple Pay at checkout and confirm the payment. No card numbers required. You can view or manage the card anytime in the Klarna app, and you'll also see it in your Apple Wallet. If something doesn't look right, a quick app refresh or device restart usually clears it up. That's it. Quick, secure, and convenient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Klarna to Apple Pay setup.